guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable red cards notifications on your FotMob app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So then it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on default match notifications. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You come here to red cards, then you just click in this sign or this color. Then like you see color, it's gone. That's main red cards notifications disable with us now. Go down, click here on down, then it's going to add with us. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.